Hi everyone, welcome back again with another video from Kerala. Before beginning, a big thank you from us for the lovely comments for my last video. Happy to know that you all loved our house. I don't know why, but I'm not able to take a complete day in my life video, hence posting some special moments or clips taken here and there. And this video is again one such. This vacation is a complete busy vacation, housewarming function, flooding. We have guests almost every day. Our whole family is with us all time. These are moments in life and some are blessings that we need to cherish, so I don't want to miss those later. I know I'll be on track once I'm back in Riyadh, so that's a delay in uploading and getting in touch with your messages. This video was taken when my elder brother and family was leaving back to Qatar, and it's very emotional when family is leaving. They had come for very few days to attend the housewarming function, and due to heavy rain and flooding they had to extend their ticket for 5 more days, and that was a bonus for us to spend more time with them. That's my uncle, my father's youngest brother. Many in the family says that Arman looks like him when he was young. Need to wait to see if he still looks like him. My boys will miss this tiny one. And off they go. We wait for them to get their boarding passes so that there isn't any confusions. Till then, passing time. I didn't have my breakfast that day, so on the way back had tea and snacks. I know I would get only this day to have a dental checkup, so we went back straight to my brother's clinic where he's working. My mom too had some, so we anyway decided to do it together. Don't know how, but my brother succeeded in convincing Arman for a tooth filling. I don't give smartphones to my boys, but this time I couldn't help. Arman wouldn't sit alone on the chair. I had to lie down and keep him along. And then done. Once all the dental works were over, it was evening and we didn't have our lunch too. So we quickly went out to have something. We dropped my brother back to his clinic and left home. This video was taken when the camera team came home to shoot the home tour. Jafar and Dilshan are the professionals behind this, from whom I could learn a lot of videography techniques and tips. I'm just with a phone and they had all the equipments. I really want to get one of these. We get really very beautiful shots from drone. I guess Saudi doesn't let using this. They had come home around 3 in the evening. They were setting up the camera. While that was going on, I decided to open a parcel that had come for me. Hijabs again from Zunaira Hijabs. Trying out one. I shall link in my description box. I was completely tired and guess that scene on my face. The home tour shoot was going on. Many of you wanted to get more details on the house. Everything was taken care by my father-in-law. I'm not going on to the financial side, that would be a bit too personal. For other details, the contacts are given in my home tour video description box. Do check that out if you need them. They took videos in their style as well as with my suggestions too. Till now, except the home tour video, all other videos were taken by me alone. And when you are the editor, you know how to take the videos too. So I wasn't sure how this video would be. But after they came home, it was easy for me to explain what I need and they knew what I want. We didn't know that it would go really late, or else I would have prepared dinner, or at least we would have ordered food from outside. But none could be done. I had to give them snacks that was at home. Each room wasn't taken in an order. Even the outside area was taken before sunset and here and there. That's it drawn to take the night view. Guess there's a mini version of the same for half price. I shall link below if I find it online. Time was really late and Arman had been asking for food from a very long time. We were not sure if we could find any restaurants that would be open late night. Luckily found one that was in town very close to us. They are open till 3 AM and that's something to be noted. The food was really tasty too. Don't know if it's because of the hunger. This was taken on a day when we had gone to Calicut, where my brother-in-law Shejin and family was staying. In fact, we were going to visit a shop. You'll see in some time. Shejin had got a partnership there and we too a very small share. It's a tea shop, chai or chai. You get varieties of tea there, cold as well as hot. And almost reaching there, we went over to their flat first as we just had lunch, didn't want to go directly to Phil again. Femi had prepared butterscotch pudding for us, and there it is. We were almost full with our lunch, but desserts always find in some space. And that was a delicious creamy pudding. I just took a walk with Femi, meeting her neighbors and looking around. And evening we moved to Chai. And there it is. That's the menu. My best friend from school, Naji, came over to meet us. I'm in fact seeing her after a very long time. The seats inside were full, and in fact their concept is to have tea and enjoy the weather. I loved the refreshing cold watermelon tea, and among the hot one is my favorite saffron tea. There was another family along, and we sat for a while to try out more sandwich and wraps. This pretty little one was enjoying my camera takes. She was shy but still playing around. The wing burger is the best. I shall share the location below in the description box. If you are at Calicut by any chance, don't miss out to be here and taste their favorites. And that ends today's short vlog. Hope you liked it. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.